This is your first one you've ever done? It's exceptional. I'm telling you, basing flowers is the hardest one. Here we have the dynamic duo over here. How hard was this to do? I think it's very hard. But apparently you it's not. Look, how beautiful. How many days have you been in class? Oh, this is your second day, isn't it?
That's my second day.
Let's see, spin it around. Perfect. Keep going. That's a big fat hydrangea. It looks twice as big on camera. Beautiful. Great job. Here you go. Here's my little. You're becoming a good little designer. Give it a spin.
Spin.
Yeah, you just have a big fat hydrangeas.
Yeah, they have very big fat hydrangeas.
Yeah, so believe. Very pretty. Washington, D.C. School of Flower Design. Perfect. It's your first one. Amazing.